So you want to resize the photo in your desired dimensions in Photoshop and want to know how to do it without losing its quality? Well, you are in the right video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to resize your photo in your required dimensions. I have a photo right in front of me which I took last evening, and now I want to post it to Instagram. I already know the Instagram's recommended dimensions for a photo are 1080 by 1080 pixels. So I'm going to resize this photo in these recommended dimensions. It's very easy. So let's do it now. Firstly, let's see the canvas size of this photo. To do that, select the image option from the top menu and then select canvas size. Here you will see the current size of your photo, and in this case it's 3024 pixels by 4032 pixels. It's huge, isn't it? Now we want to change it to 1080 by 1080 pixels as we require for Instagram. So go ahead and change the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Once done, click OK. Now you will see this notification from Photoshop saying the new canvas size is smaller than the current canvas size. Some clipping will occur. So what it's saying is that the size of the photo will change to a smaller one, and we already aware of it. So click proceed. Once done, you will see the photo has now changed into the dimensions we set. To confirm this change, let's check it again by going to the image in the menu and then clicking canvas size. As you can see, that size is now changed. So all good till now. Only the last and the most important step is remaining, which is resizing it so that the image fits into the canvas. We have already changed the dimensions. That's all perfect. But a lot of part in this image is out of the canvas as a result of a change in canvas size. And I don't want to post it like that. So how to do it? It's very simple. Just press Command T if you are using MacBook or Control T if you are on a Windows computer. You will now see the option to move the parts of your image back into the canvas as required. Once all done and once you're happy with the change, click OK. So this is how you resize a photo in Photoshop. Now just go ahead and do export to save it into your computer. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you.